One of the most limiting sentences you can say is surprisingly simple. I can't. It sounds harmless. It sounds factual. But what if those two words are quietly teaching your subconscious to stop looking for possibilities? Today, I'm going to show you why your mind says, I can't, the hidden message beneath it, and what to say instead. Because one innocent sentence can quietly shape your confidence, your choices, and your emotional reality. Hi, I'm Lena, psychologist and hypnotherapist. For over 16 years, I've been helping people recognize the hidden sentence they keep repeating to themselves. So, what is actually wrong with saying I can't? Let me tell you something interesting. Your brain treats I can't like a closed door. The moment you say it out loud, your mind stops looking for solution. Your subconscious doesn't argue, it doesn't ask, is that really true? It simply takes it as a command. The hidden sentence is, there is no possibility here. But here is something even more interesting. If your subconscious believes you, what does it do next? It starts organizing your attention around that sentence. Instead of noticing opportunities, it notices limitations. Instead of asking, how could I? How can I make it happen? Your mind quietly concludes, there is no point looking. And little by little, your outer reality begins to match your inner language because your mind stopped looking for another way. But it's not only that, there is something deeper here. Most of the time, I can't is not about lack of ability at all. The hidden sentence is, I'm afraid of what will happen if I try. I can't ask, I can't leave, I can't start. The word I can't often protects us from uncertainty. It's a protective word. But here is something interesting. If it's really a fear, why doesn't your mind simply say, I'm afraid? Because saying I'm afraid feels vulnerable. And I can't sounds factual. It hides emotion inside certainty. So instead of admitting fear, your mind presents it as a limitation. So, if I can't closes the door, what would open it again? Change the words. Try, I'm learning. Instead of saying, I can't make money doing what I love, I'm learning how to make money doing what I love. Feel the difference. One sentence ends conversation, the other one begins it. Instead of saying, I can't start yet, say, I'll start with one small step. Movement appears immediately. Instead of, I can't speak confident, try, I'm learning to speak with confidence. Try, I'm figuring it out. I started. Or even, why not? Each of those sentences tells your subconscious, keep looking. It is really impossible. Physically, no, impossible indeed. Then change the words and instead of I can't, say because yet leaves the door open. Your subconscious no longer hears this is impossible. It hears this is possible, but I'm still learning. Those tiny changes in language changes the whole emotion. I'm curious how you would change the words I can't. Comment for me below. I'm Lena, and this is Change the Words. Follow me and every week we'll uncover another hidden sentence and change the words together.